Shapley's Equitone shampoo is the ultimate one-step shampoo and conditioner designed to enhance your horse's color while leaving their coat clean, soft, and vibrant. Horse Journal magazine designated Equitone as a top pick for color enhancement products. If your horse's coat has been faded by the sun, Equitone helps bring back their natural color, depth, and brilliance, and is an excellent choice for freshly body-clipped horses, eliminating that washed-out look and restoring depth to the coat. This premium formula is easy to use. Simply apply it directly to the coat or use a sponge. Work it in thoroughly and let it set for 10 minutes before rinsing. No dilution is needed. Use Equitone Red for chestnut and blood bay horses. Use Equitone Black for dark bay and black horses. Use Equitone Gold for Palominos, Buckskins, and Duns. And use Equitone Whitening for gray and white horses. This whitening formula also brightens any coat color. Equitone shampoos are available in 32-ounce bottles.